Sunglasses Dino.
Where is it?
Where are you?
Oh,
Can you come here?
yeah, Jonathan, I'll be there.
Yay.
What's the problem?
I want to know if you know your shapes.
My shape?
Do you know
I'm too fast. Yeah.
These are different kind of shapes.
Ah, really?
Yeah. So let me see if you know your shapes.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, teach me what is the shape.
Okay. So I'm going to show you pictures.
Pictures?
And, yes.
Take pictures?
Yeah, like pictures.
Ah,
yeah,
I see.
of
Okay.
different shapes.
Yes.
And let's see if you know what the pictures of the shapes are.
Yes.
So here is the first one.
What is that?
Do you know what this shape is?
Ball? It look like a ball.
A ball can be this shape, but we call this shape a circle.
Ah, I see. This is circle too.
Yes, this is a circle
And
too. Yes.
this is circle.
Can you tell me what color is the circle?
Yesterday I learned that color. It might be a sky color, right?
The sky is this color.
Yeah.
Yes.
A blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Yay.
Well, blue
Good
sky.
job.
Blue.
It's a blue circle.
Circle.
Yes. Good.
Wow.
Yay,
Cool.
Sunglasses Dino. That is
Yes.
right. It's a blue circle.
Yeah.
What about this shape? Can you say?
Mm.
It begins with an S.
S?
Yes, it's an S.
You made a mistake.
Oh, not S. Sorry. T.
I can read.
It starts with a T, and maybe it's the same color as you.
Yes.
Can we say triangle?
Triangle?
Yes,
What
triangle.
is the triangle?
A triangle is this picture. It has three sides. 1, 2, 3.
It's shaped like a mountain.
Yes, mountains are the shape of a triangle. Yes,
Wow,
very
triangle.
good. You are
I
very
have a triangle
clever.
too here.
Ah,
I have triangle.
maybe you have triangle on tail.
Yeah.
And your teeth.
Yes, teeth.
Yes.
Yeah.
And on your head.
Triangle. Yeah.
Yes. And what color is this triangle? It's your color. It begins with a G.
Yes.
It begins with a G. Good.
Good. Green. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, I have green.
You are green.
Green,
yes.
green.
So the triangle is green as well.
Yes, green.
Yes. Good job.
Yes.
Okay.
Triangle, green triangle.
Let's look at this shape. And this shape does begin with an S.
Yes.
Yes. And its shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides.
Yes.
It is called a square.
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 Good job. Can you say what has square shape?
Yellow.
Yellow.
I know the yellow.
Yeah, this is a yellow color of the square.
Yeah.
Yeah, things like boxes.
Square.
A square, yes. Good job. Okay.
Yes, it's shaped square.
Yeah, the paper is a square.
Wow.
Lots of square shapes. Square is a good shape to know.
Yellow square.
Yellow square.
Ooh.
Good. Now let's look at the next one. Kind of like a square, but longer. Okay. Also have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, but bigger than the square. Okay. This one has an R for the sound. Okay. Yeah. And it's
rectangle.
Yeah. Good job.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Yes.
What color is this rectangle? It can't be a fruit you eat.
Orangey.
Yes.
Yeah.
Orange. Good job, sunglasses, Dino. This is an orange rectangle.
Orange rectangle.
Good. Okay. Sometimes we see rectangles on trucks. Maybe?
Yes.
Yeah, big trucks have rectangle
Oh, yes.
yeah, maybe. Okay. Sometimes boxes can be rectangle.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe chalkboards
Mhm.
or whiteboards. Triangle rectangle that we write on. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's look at the last one. It begins with O.
Oh, yes.
Kind of like a circle, but it's a long circle, and it's called oval.
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 Good. And what color is this oval? Can you say?
Pink.
Yeah, pink. It's a
Yeah.
pink. Ooh. Pink oval. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes oval can be the shape of
Yes.
A, or sometimes your face
Oh, yes.
can have oval shape.
Yes.
Yes. Lots of things can be oval.
Yes.
Yes. So those are our shapes. Again, let's go through again.
Yes.
Circle,
Circle.
triangle,
Triangle.
square,
Square.
rectangle,
Rectangle.
and oval.
Oval.
Good, good job.
Wow.
Yeah, high
Dino got the
five.
shape. Dino got the shape. Dino got the shape.
Yay.
Yes.
Now Dino is smart about his shapes.
Woo.
Yay.
Okay, see you friends. Let's
you.
remember this shape and then teach. Thank you for teaching and
You're welcome.
talk later. See you again. Bye bye.
See you next time.
Yeah, turn it off.